In my last video, I tested YouTube's creator partnerships and I didn't know if it was a scam, if I was actually going to get paid. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you if I got paid or not. And the short answer is yes. I did get paid 2,500, but something even more important happened. As soon as I submitted that video, another brand deal showed up in my dashboard. And this time it was from a brand that I already use, love, and recommend. So that was amazing. But first, let me tell you how the payment for the first brand deal came through, the timeline that you can expect for these creator partnership brand deals, and how you can attract brand deals even if you have a small channel or you are not yet in the YouTube partner program. Now, if you haven't seen part one, I'll link it down in the description below and you can watch it after this video. But here's what actually happened. So after I submitted the first video, the brand started running my video as an ad. And I could see that the traffic source coming in was from YouTube advertising. So it had like about 700 views. But the brand hadn't officially selected it as an ad in the platform and I hadn't actually gotten paid. So I was a little worried. I didn't know if the money was actually going to show up or if I don't know if it was just going to sit in limbo and if this feature was actually going to work. So let me walk you through the timeline of how the payment actually came through so you'll know what to expect when you do these brand deals. So this campaign had a deadline of May 30th. I had submitted my video on May 23rd. Then on June 30th, exactly 1 month after the deadline, the $2,500 showed up directly inside my YouTube studio as estimated earnings. Now, remember, this is not an instant payout to your bank account, right? So it shows up in the YouTube AdSense dashboard later, but it is real. It's not a scam, and it is a viable way to get brand deals on your channel. Now, before I tell you about the second brand deal that popped up right after this, I want you to know that even a small channel can attract brand deals on YouTube. And the number one way to do that is to have a media kit. Now, long before YouTube ever launched creator partnerships and long before it ever showed up in my dashboard, I have been using my media kit to attract brand deals worth $10,000 and more. And I want to give you my template for free and you can use it. So just comment the word media kit down below and I'll send it to you. Okay, so here's the interesting part. So as soon as I finished this ad, another brand deal open call showed up in my creator dashboard under the Earn tab on YouTube. So the second brand deal was actually from a brand that I wanted to work with. I already used their product, so I was really excited and I wanted to do that video immediately because the audience alignment was like spot on, right? So what I want to show you here is how I'm attracting these brand deals right inside YouTube Studio. So I'm not pitching the brands, I'm not running after them, I'm not doing any outreach. The brands are actually showing up inside my YouTube dashboard. So I mentioned in the previous video that what's happening is that the AI is matching brands with my channel using Gemini behind the scenes. So Gemini's AI is handling all of the heavy lifting. So as long as YouTube understands your audience profile and your topic depth, the algorithm can connect you directly with the right brands. Now, I was recently at Cannes Lions on the invitation of YouTube Creator Club, and I spoke with Izzy, who heads the brand deal desk for YouTube over there. And she told me that there is a huge movement right now for brands wanting to work specifically with nano creators, which are typically channels under 10,000 subscribers, and micro creators, which are channels between 10K and 100K, which is where my channel typically lands right now. Now, brands are actively seeking out nano and micro creators because these channels have deep expertise. They talk about specialized topics from real lived experience. And what that does is it builds massive audience trust, which is becoming very rare right now because of AI. So the takeaway here is that you don't need hundreds of thousands of subscribers. You don't need viral views, because having authority in a specialized topic and being a subject matter expert is actually way more valuable to brands than being an influencer is. or having massive numbers is. If you are a small channel with big monetization goals, then listen up because I am speaking directly to you. I am sharing this behind the scenes reality because I want you to see that a small channel actually has massive commercial leverage. So you don't need to chase vanity metrics or rely on AdSense pennies or force yourself into an influencer culture to monetize. Instead, when you create videos that are grounded in your real lived experience, in your real action, things you've actually done, the specialized expertise you actually have, when you do that, you build something far more valuable to brands, which is genuine audience trust. And that trust is your leverage. But here's the secret. Your channel only holds that leverage if you take intentional action to position it properly. If your channel isn't set up right, the AI will just pass you over and your channel won't get matched with the right brands, whether through creator partnerships or otherwise. To fix your positioning and get YouTube's system to actually send brand deals your way, you want to watch this video on AI-powered brand deals next.